So you know what's super fun? Super fun. Is this recording? Yeah. Super fun. Scanners. We have never done a review of a scanner here. And today we're doing a review of a scanner that's completely different. Because I always think of scanners that maybe they come with your printer. They had little paper feed top scanner, or a standalone scanner with the little whoop whoop whoop. You know, put your paper on it, scan it. Those ones are usually good for like photocopying things, right? Pages. But we're doing something different. This is the CZUR, CZUR. I think I'm not 100% which one they sent me, but I think it's this one, the ET series professional book scanner. Yeah, this guy right here, the ET 16 Plus. Yeah. Okay, hold on. This is it. Now I don't even know. I gotta move some stuff around because I'm low on space, because I have this feeling that because this is a scanner, it's gonna take up more space than I kind of want it to. Can this even fit on my desk? So it does. Anyways, I'm pretty sure this is it. So hold on a second, because it's not. I'll be right back. All right, now I think I have the right box. This makes more sense, right? This makes more sense. This is it, and it's, of course, now it's even a bigger box. So that's excellent. So yeah, I think this is, and I don't know if I'm pronouncing CZUR, but it's got like a Red Dot Award, Design Award, all kinds of stuff. Doesn't say on the box anywhere. It's just all black, which is cool. We all like a nice black box, right? It's just gonna not fit. It is not gonna fit. It's not gonna fit. It's not gonna fit. All right, so I'm gonna take it out this way because I'm opening over here because it's too big. So first off, you get a cool little thing here, which I'm sure it's very classy. I give it that. Very classy. It's got all your manuals and series user manual, and is that like a driver disc? Sure hope I don't need a driver disc, because plugging this into a Mac. Okay, you can download the software, so I can just go there. So okay, so I'll have to do that. Download the software. Cool. Okay. But drivers, software. Does it say which one I have? Does it say Aura series? Aura. Maybe I don't have this one. Is there a different one? Aura? Oh, it's a personal. That's the one I have. So I didn't get the professional. That's okay. That's all right. Aura series. Smart scanner for home users. Now, which one of the Aura series do I have? I still don't know. It's either the Aura Pro or the Aura X Pro. Is there a difference when you look at the pictures? I don't know if it does. Scan anywhere without depending on a power supply. Oh, and the other one I'm guessing needs a power supply. Okay, cool. But either way, set up really good. Tells you the web address to go to, right? So I'm gonna have to do that. I'm down. Okay. You have seems so complex. Look at this. You got a foot pedal. What is happening? A foot pedal? What is that supposed to do? It's a foot pedal. Okay, foot pedal. You have a power adapter. So I'm guessing I'm the Aura Pro. You have this piece, which, looking at the picture, I don't even know. Looking at the picture kind of makes me think it's okay. Is it that? It's not that. This must be the scanner piece. My guess is this comes out somehow. Okay, so much, and then this is like, it's pretty heavy duty. You guys see it? You may see it. There it is. It's tall, like up here. Hey, so you gotta put this all together. This is your mat that you put on the ground, and then you have so much stuff. Then you have a finger cots for finger. What is finger cots for book scanning? and a USB cable. And I'm pretty sure that's now it. That's it. That's empty. Okay, it's a beautiful box. So I wish I could have showed you all of it from the top down. But is it really that important? No. So I'm guessing what it really wants is it to just be on black, right? So they give you this mat to roll out, would be my guess, so that you have that. Now I have a black desk, so maybe I don't need it. I don't know. That's coming off. I hope that was just supposed to peel like so. That must be the back. That must be the back, because as you can see here, that seems to have all the goodness on it, right? It's all the goodness. It's got a whole bunch of stickery stuff that you take off. This is one of those things I should probably read a manual. Is what I would think I should probably do. This goes somewhere. Does this go? I'm trying to look at the pictures. So that's up there, right? And then this, you would think it's magnetic. Oh, this is magnetic. I wonder if that just sticks on there, because it's kind of just sticks. It kind of sticks. Like, I don't know if this whole thing slides out, because that's kind of what it looks like. This, right? And I don't know where to plug everything else into. Where do you plug stuff in? You know, you look at this and you're like, where does everything go? That seemed to fit in there nicely, you know, right? Like that. But I'm not 100% sure what this piece does, unless it's just kind of protects it. Maybe I should read the manual. Maybe I should read a manual. So, okay. So, download the software. I'm with you. I'm hoping there's more than that. That's what I'm hoping. Then there's a special instructions. Picture A, picture B. Okay. All right. Because maybe this, you just plug these into your computer, and then, but no, there's got to be a USB cable here somewhere. There's more stickers. Oh, they're down at the bottom. They're down. You guys see it? They're down in right here. They're down right there. Okay. Okay, let's do it. Let's do it. Now the other issue I'm gonna have, I think, is that this is oh, it does come with a manual. I'm sorry, with all kinds of adapters for the plug-in. That's nice. That's excellent. The other thing, of course, is that because I'm on a Mac, oh no, I got a USB because I have an adapter, so we're okay. We're good. I got an adapter plugged in already. Sweet, 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 sweet. It's all the sweetness. Okay, so you're going in there. You're going in there. Okay. There's a power button right there on the back. So that's our power button. Okay, you're going somewhere. You are fitting. Okay. Yes. I still don't know what that piece is. Okay, little adapters over there. Finger cots for book scanning. Finger cots. What the heck is a finger cot for book scanning? I think this, like, it looks by the picture, it says, put the finger cots on your fingers, put your index finger into the holes, and press the top groove with a thumb. Press the finger cots to the edge of the book without covering the contents. Oh, I see what it is. So, let's say this is a book, right? And of course, the pages are curled and all this kind of stuff. So, you would take these, put these on your fingers, and then you can kind of lay them down, I think, so that you can spread them out so that you can not get your fingers in the shot, right? But you can push everything down. That's my guess. That's my guess is what these are. If I'm wrong, somebody leave a a message down below, but I think that's what it is. Okay, USB cable. This, so far it's like super cool. Yeah, so this, it's kind of got like that traditional, I say like I think this is USB-B, so it's like the printer cable style. Printer cable. So this, same deal. This is going in there. Okie dokie. Right? Yep. This has got power. That's excellent. This I'm going to plug into. This is going. I'm unplugging you. Sorry, don't need you right now. You're getting plugged in. And everything's gonna be on. I think on this. We're gonna do it on this side. I think. We'll just scan like this thing here. And then there's this. I don't even understand this part. The foot pedal, they call it. The foot pedal. Is there a spot in here for the foot? Yep. Yes, there is. Yes, there is. So everything does plug in the back. And this is a book scanner, right? So I'm not necessarily scanning a book, but you get the idea. And again, I've got it all smudgy already. I've already got it smudgy, so I gotta clean that. Let me get a cloth. I'll be right back. Okay, so I can't quite tell which side would be front and which side would be back. So like, if I take that on, you know, there's this. I'm with you. Okay, so I'm gonna pause this now. I'm gonna pause this now, and I'm gonna come back, and I'm gonna figure out what I'm doing. Hold on. Okay, I don't know if you can see this, but so this little piece here is really for extra light. It's side light. So once this is powered on, you know, you can. There's a little switch down here. You kind of just tap it, as far as I can see, and you kind of go through here, and you'll see the light. Maybe you'll see it, the light turn on back there, right? Because this is gonna come up forward, and once this is powered, you can tap this on the back. I think. Oh, I have to get it to camera, so I have to go to one more. So, hold on. Light, camera, tap, and now you'll see you get this extra like side light. So if you need more light on what you're scanning, then you got extra light coming through. So I figured that out. Now the driver that you download, at least for Mac, is fairly large. It's between 800 and 900 megs, so it's a good size piece of software. Just be aware of that. So I'm installing it right now, and then of course we'll be back. Okay, so I think we've got everything going here. Everything's installed. The actual install file, once it's downloaded, 1.6 gigs. So it's got some heft to it for sure. Let's come here. Oops. See what we can find. Should be one of the last ones here. There it is. Let's see if anything happens. Okay. I'm excited. I'm going to tell you, I'm a little excited. I'm just going to put this here. It is a, you know, I probably should use the matte, but I got a black desk, so my guess is that should be okay. Enter serial number. Where would I find the serial number? Okay, one more sec. I got to figure this out. Okay, so you set it up. It looks like you can set it up as either a scanner or a virtual presenter, so that's kind of cool. We're going to go to scanner. Color mode, yeah, rotate, overlapping, good. I'm curious. I don't even know what I'm doing here, right? File list, no preview image. How do I preview? Print, OCR. It's got tons of stuff here. Color mode. First select target file from list on right. So do I hit scan? Looking for a device? Yeah, so let's do color, flat single page. Okay, I think I just lay it like this. And then I say, I'm going to do auto scan. I don't know if I have to do the tilting. Does it power and tilt? Does it? I don't know. Does this? Maybe I have to read more instructions. That could very well be it. Okay, so I gotta duck down. So I'm gonna give this as much light as I can. So yeah, this piece it's not. I thought maybe it was motorized. It's not. You just pull it out. So now the camera's up here, And on the screen, you can kind of see it doing whatever it's doing, right? I wonder if I turn it this way. Yeah, it seems to get a better idea. And it's trying to figure this out, auto scan. Maybe if I turn it this way, it would do it too, just to, you can see on that page there, you want it to be, I guess, as straight as possible, would be my guess. Somewhere in that range-ish, sort of. Does it have to be perfect? Probably not. All right, so let's just do scan. Is that it? Did it do it? Oh, auto scan. I think it's, when I hit auto scan, it's actually, every time it flashes, yeah, see? Every time it flashes, it takes a picture. Okay, all right, I'm down. So let's say we do have, the nice thing about this is what I like about this, is let's say, I'll bring this over here. Let's say you have a box. Okay, so the bonus of, again, this is that this can really be like any height. I wish this top camera's not, right? Top camera's kind of useless right now, but you get what I'm saying, right? Because it can be up here, it can be a page. You can use these little finger things to kind of scan it or to move it around. And then basically you just kind of, I wonder if you can do like a highlight. No, you just kind of go here, and then you click it, boom, check your settings, and now, you know, you gotta, it's almost like, remember back in the day we used to have the overhead projectors? I'm kind of aging myself, right? Overhead projector, that's kind of what this is, but it's a scanner, right? And of course you have stuff like this, and you can spread your paper out, and I'm still not 100% sure what this thing does. Maybe, oh, I think what this is that this makes sense now, right? Because let's say you have a book. Yes, you have a book, and you're holding your pages down. So you got this, and you're holding your pages down, and you're like, now how do I go over here and hit the scan button? Because I'm using both my hands. So this takes a scan. Takes a scan of it. Takes a photo of it. Oh, that's cool. That's cool. All right, I like that. I like that. This is something I would set up and kind of put off to the side, but because it's actually really easy to set up when you're ready to use it, you just kind of fold this down when you don't need it. You can just kind of turn that off. Boom. You know, that turns off. And that's it. Just kind of push it off to the side of your desk. Really, like a scanner takes up a lot of your desk, like a flatbed. This, it takes up space, but it's vertical, right? So I think that's actually really cool. I'm gonna leave links to it if you're interested in something like this. For a lot of people that don't scan a lot, you know what? You can probably just most of the time just use your phone, right? But for those of us that you can't use your phone when you gotta spread out like anything, because you're just going to get that warped kind of feel, right? This allows you to really get it down and structured, and I think it's cool. All right, guys, they make all kinds of versions depending on your price point and depending on what your features. This one, of course, needs to be plugged in, but they do make even a version of this one that is powered, I would think, based off of like your computer. So that's kind of nice. And then they make the Pro versions, which even higher end, which is beyond what I would need, but really cool. All right, guys, links down below if you're interested. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and we'll see you guys next video. Later, my friends.